Hi crafters, and welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm G, and today on Tuesday's Technique, we're going to teach you how to make a new fun fold. At least it's new for us, and it's called a tuck card. So let's head down to the crafting table and let's get started. First off, we will be using a brand new stamp set from our mini catalog in Stampin' Up that goes on sale January to April. So get ready because this is a fantastic stamp set and it also has a punch with it. We're going to use the punch and we're going to use the stamp set as well as the paper that comes with it. So the first thing you're going to need to do to create this card is to create your base card. And the base card is simply a top fold card. So we're going to score at 5.5 and we're going to cut at 4 1/4. Now this typically creates your top fold card just like this. But we are going to use it in a landscape mode. So we're going to turn it like this. Now, the next thing you need to do is pick your DSP. And look at this beautiful DSP. We are taking from this pack. And we have all colors. Oh, I love this blue. But we have all colors. Now, this is the DSP that you can put through your punch. Look at all those gorgeous colors. We've decided for our card today to use this DSP. It has both sides on it. So we've already cut our piece of DSP that's going to go right here on the inside of our card. And that is 4 by 5 1/4. So let's go ahead and lay that down. Now, the next thing we need to do is take our card and cut off 3 inches of the top flap. So bring out your trimmer and let's just cut off those 3 inches. Now, save this for later on. Now we have our card with our front flap. The next thing we need to do is go ahead and stamp our message. Now, we are using 2 stamp sets. We will be using a small heart right here. And then we're going to use our Happy Birthday stamp set. It's new from the mini catalog. And it's called Best Day. Because we're going to use this adorable little cat here who is a cupcake cat, right? So let's go ahead and stamp our cat. And we are going to stamp it using Memento. And just put it right in the center. Look how cute that is. Now we're going to use our Daffodil Delight for the body of the cat. And I want to remind you, always put down a piece of paper because our alcohol blends will bleed through. So just grab yourself a piece of scratch paper and lay that down. And let's use our blends to get this colored. So let's go ahead and color our cat. And we're going to leave his belly white. Going to color his little bow tie Poppy Parade because that's the color of our base card. Now we're not going to color the balloon because we're going to bring in our DSP that we told you about and we are going to punch this out and you can line it up with that DSP and just punch it out. Now we are going to add a little heart right over where the balloon is, and we're going to set that up on dimensionals. And now we need to color our cupcake. And we're going to use Calypso Coral. Now we have to decide what color do we want to color the little dots here. I think we'll color them yellow. And now we are going to stamp happy birthday right underneath him. So let's grab our stamp set. Let's go ahead and use Memento. And we're going to add it to the front of a mat. This is a 3 1/4 inch square, and then this one is just a 3 inch. So let's go ahead and just add this to the front of that mat. We're going to bring in our card, and we also cut a 1 by 4 1/4 inch strip, and we picked up those beautiful hearts and made sure that we had them on our strip. So let's go ahead and lay that down. Now we need to cut our smaller square that is going to provide our area that we tuck this under. So let's go ahead and cut that. And we cut a 2 1/2 inch square in white and also the DSP. Now, the reason we cut 2 is because we want it to be sturdy. So let's go ahead and glue these on top of each other. And they line up perfectly. So we're just going to put corner to corner in the canal and slice. Now you have 2 pieces, so you can make 2 cards. Now we need to put this right in the corner, right here. But you need it to be raised just a little bit. So what we're going to use these wonderful adhesive strips that you can buy at Stampin' Up. So we're just going to take off a piece. And we're only going to put this adhesive strip on the top and the side. So not on this long part of the triangle, just on the top, the left and the right. And now we're going to take off our backing. And just line it right at the top. And look at that. It's raised just the perfect amount. So now that when we put this in here, we can just slide this under just like that. So let's go ahead and get this laid down. Now you only want to put about 1/4 of adhesive right here on this side. So make sure that you don't accidentally glue your card down. And we're going to push it all the way up to that border. Make sure that you have the same distance at the top and the bottom. And now you just tuck it in. Isn't that a cute card? But we're not done yet. You can also put right here some white paper and you could write a message as well. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to leave this as is. And we have some other cards to show you. So let me show you what other DSP we use to create a happy birthday card. We use the other stamp in the stamp set, this beautiful birthday cake, and we use this new DSP that will be available in January. And look at this one. We just used a white cardstock. We put wishing you all the wishes right here, and you can write your message right here. You could put a piece of white paper. You just need to make sure that it stays underneath this flap. And look how cute that is. And then we did another cute little cat from the same stamp set. But this time, look what we did. We embossed this mat right here. Really adds to the presentation. Once again, it just slips right under. And on this one, we added our piece of paper. Now, I want to remind everyone that we are still in December and we are doing Christmas fun games. So make sure that you check below this video in the description and find out what is the question that we want you to answer. Make sure that you leave us a comment. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We want you to go out, make it a fantastic day. We hope you enjoyed our Tuesday technique, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.